Now, American Milwaukeean. This one's working. Problem is the tool holder. Common problem for any brand. These can get a fair bit of abuse. Tool holders can start to get rusted up. Dismantle, clean it, put it back together again, see if that sorts it out. Generally it's going to be rust. Now, along the outside of here, there's a wee spring clip. Straight away, that's the problem. That's a wee pin. You can see in this cam here, this spins around. There's a track for this wee pin to sit on. When she spins, there's a cam up here, pulls this pin out. As you can see, she ain't pulling it out. Jammed solid. That's all it is. Bit of rust. Technically, to take apart the whole head to actually access this tool holder. Hopefully we won't have to. Now, clean that shaft, clean that bore, also clean this head. Now, everything nicely cleaned. It should be all we need, apart from just a wee touch of grease. Both for lubrication and to help ensure it doesn't rust up again. Springs down this side, locates into this wee hole here. You need to line up your hole, rotate this around. Put on your steel top cover, steel sleeve. It should all line up. Drop on. That should be it. Look at that. Simple as that. That's all you need for the Milwaukee chucks. No need to dismantle the entire gearbox. Can if you want, makes it a wee bit easier. but you don't have to. That's it. Sorted.